Today's wig comes from WowAfrican. I will have it linked below in the description box. Let's unbox it. So this is what the hair looked like straight out the box. We have a 360 invisible strap wig. You can see that the hairline is pre-plucked beautifully and the knots are super small. We have the invisible strap, and this is what their invisible strap look like in the back so that you can get a seamless install. This is a 360 lace wig, so of course you can pull this up if you wanted to. It has the wefts and a sensor. It also has the adjustable strap that you can take in and out, and it has combs, of course, that I probably won't use, but I will use the back one. Okay, so I'm just going to slide it on really fast so you all can see what it looks like. So you can see that the hairline is beautiful. The way they pre-plucked this hairline is gorgeous. I wish they did bleach the knots on it because the knots are still visible at the hairline, but in the parting there's no knots there. So with this style you can part it on the side. You can part it all the way over here. Because it's a 360 lace wig, they give you a deeper parting with this one, so it goes all the way back. The hair comes pre-styled with highlights. It has beautiful highlights in it. For some reason, this smells like bubblegum. The hair smells like bubblegum, and I like it so much because I kept looking around like, what is that smell? And I realized it's the hair. It smells like bubblegum, y'all. Really good. You can cut it back if you want to. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and just put slits in the lace before I glue it down. Leave the lace and then glue it down. This hair is so soft. I love how it looks, y'all. It looks so pretty. So their 20 inch is more like a layered 20 inch. So they have shorter and longer layers. It's not just one length, so you don't have to add layers to the wig, but it's really pretty. That's what it looks like. Super pretty, so soft. Okay, so I'm going to take the lace glue spray, and this is what I'm going to use. And I'm also going to take my melting spray and mix with it, and we're going to apply both of these. And I'm going to go in with the melting spray, help the lace blend, and the lace glue is going to give hold. Take that lace, press it down, make sure it's over your ear. Press the lace into the adhesive on all sides. You can use the lace to pull and press. Now if you're looking for an install where the lace is already cut, I have several videos showing this. First time in a long time I've actually just shown me doing this without cutting the lace. So if you actually watch the videos and go through my playlist, you'll see that I have so many tutorials showing how to do this if the lace is already cut. So just click my name and go to my page and you'll see what I'm talking about. Hold that lace, then I'm just going to grab my edge band, place the edge band around the hairline and let this sit for 15 or 20 minutes. Now you want to also take the lace and just pull it to make sure there's no ripples so that when it dries it can lay flat with no ripples. Alright, so once the time is up, you want to go ahead and just remove the band. Just be gentle because you don't want to snatch up the hairline, but this is what it should look like. I'm going to take some smaller scissors like this and I'm going to cut the extra lace off. Cut all the way back to that hairline. You don't have to leave any lace. I love that they already pre-styled the hair and cut it, but I am going to share with you guys this week how to really take your wig to the next level. If you want it to look natural, that video is coming up next actually. So I did add a few of my own touches to this, which was not needed, but sometimes if you like certain things to flow on your hair, it's okay to just add a little something. All right, so this is what it looks like. I really do like this a lot. I do feel like it's very natural. I love that they added the color. I love that they added the highlights. I even love that they pre-plucked that hairline really well. So the invisible strap in the back, all you have to do is tuck that comb, and then you would take the strap. You guys, I've done this so many times, you probably already know this, but you would pull that strap tight without having to glue it down. So you just take the string and just pull till it's tight on each side, and you can see for yourself how flat this install is. Like, it just looks so natural. I love this a lot. The hair is super gorgeous, and like I said, you can pull it up if you want to. I'm gonna just use my clip and show you guys what I mean. Just pull it up like this. Feel of how it looks when you pull it up. So you can do endless styles with this, and the density is perfect. You don't have to worry about it being too much hair. It's lightweight. Put this wig in the description box for you guys. Be sure to check down there. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's video. Again, this wig is from WowAfrican. All links will be below in the description box. Give the video a like, subscribe, and I will see you back in my next video.